Okay, so let's have a look on how we can add a vertical divider line, a ruler, 100% for free to your Weebly website. So all you will have to do is look up the Octomono app in the Weebly App Center and click on the Add button. Once you clicked on that, you will see your element appearing at the bottom in your left sidebar. So presume you have created some columns in Weebly like we did here, where you see column 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. We just jumped from 2 to 4, very nice. And all you would have to do is you would have to drop the element either in the first column here or in the second one if you want to add a divider on the between those two columns. So all you would have to do is specify, of course, if the divider has to be positioned at the left or at the right of the column you added it to. In this case we added it on the left, so we're going to specify that our border, our divider line, has to appear at the right. So click on the dashboard button, scroll down until you see the structure elements and then click on vertical divider. In the left you can see the settings where you can set, as we said before, specify whether the border or the divider line has to be positioned at the right or at the left. In this case we're going to leave it at the right. You can also specify the width, just like that. Let's set it to 5 pixels for example, and select a new color, something like that, and click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, you will be automatically taken back to your Weebly editor, and now you can see that the divider, that the Octomono icon has disappeared and we have a placeholder. This placeholder will allow you to access the settings you set earlier. So if you want to modify this color or the width, then you simply click on it and access it all over again, or if you want to simply move it around or delete it from that specific location. So now let's add another one, and we're going to add a divider here at the left. So we add it in the middle, click on the dashboard button, scroll down and click again on vertical divider. In this case we need to add it on the left. We're going to leave those default settings of 1 pixel of width and a gray color. Click on save, and we're back in our Weebly editor, and you can see once again that divider here placeholder. So we'll add a new one. You can add it in the same column. All you would have to do now is specify that the border or the divider line has to appear at the right. So once again click on it, click on the dashboard button and search for the vertical divider line, just like that. We're going to leave those default colors as well, and this time we can also leave this position because we want it to appear at the right. Click on save again. And now we only have placeholders here and we get our dividers visible. So now let's have a look at the live side. Click on load page and search for our vertical divider page. Like that, and now you can see that our dividers are appearing. Obviously without those placeholders they are not going to be visible on your live page. You can see how easy it is to add a vertical divider line. Also know that whenever you add new content to your sidebar, to one of your columns, and you would expand that, for example, you can see that those dividers are just adjusting to the height of the tallest column. So once again, this element is 100% for free, and it comes included in our bundle where you can access 11 more elements. So all you have to do is click on the add button and it will be installed on your Weebly website. Thank you.